Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me once again. Today, we are going to be discussing about transport and logistics, car lovers, anyone if you're interested in career paths that has to do with cars, automobiles, then this is a video you want to watch to the end. This is the first video in this career path. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. In transport and logistics, there are 83 career paths with 5 areas of specialization. All the 5 areas of specialization and the 83 career paths will be introduced in subsequent videos. Feel free to share with friends and families. It can help someone that doesn't understand the language yet to know more options about the vocational training that we have in Germany. In this video, I'll be going into the first area of specialization. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers, and only you can stop you. The first area of specialization under transport is Berufe rund um das Auto und das Straßenverkehr. That is professions around the car and road transport. The first vocational training under this area of specialization is Automobile Kaufmann FRAU, or the automotive salesman or woman. The duration is 2 to 3 years. It's anerkannte Ausbildung, that is, it's a recognized training occupation. What is the job description? They carry out cost accounting and calculation, as well as processing organizational aspects of motor vehicles, as well as parts and accessories at the interface between trade and sales. They also take on administrative tasks, especially in procurement, in the sales market, and take the information obtained in the way of accounting when planning. Where do they find employment? They find employment in motor vehicle and part trade companies, that is car dealerships. Do you need a certificate to go into this? Yes, you do need your Hochschulreife, that is your university qualification, or your Fachhochschulreife, that's your technical college qualification, or Mittlere Bildungsabschluss, that's your intermediate educational qualification. If you don't have a certificate, you can't go into this vocational training. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. The second area of specialization under this career path is the Berufskraftfahrerin, that is a professional driver. If you want to be a professional driver, what's the duration? The duration for this vocational training is 3 years, and it's anerkannte Ausbildung, that is, it is a recognized training occupation. What is the job description? What do? They work in freight companies. They are mainly professional drivers. They are into passenger transport as well. They drive big buses, check them when traveling also. They also travel by truck too. What do? They carry out check-in and departure check on the vehicle, the wheels, the engine, the functionality of the brake systems. Then they connect the transported goods or the passengers' luggage. Where do they find employment? They find employment in freight transport companies, forwarding companies, in passenger transport companies, and municipal transport. So that means if you are interested to be a professional driver, then this is a career you want to look into. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do, and also you don't. If you have your Hochschulreife, yes, you can go into this career path. If you have your Fachhochschulreife or your Mittlere Bildungsabschluss, that is your university qualification or your technical college qualification or your intermediate level qualification, or without a certificate, you can as well go into this career path. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you.